If all humans are 99.9% genetically identical, then why can your blood save one person, but possibly harm another? That sounds dramatic, because it is. Inside your body right now, millions of red blood cells are traveling like delivery drivers. They carry oxygen. They keep you alive. They do not complain. But on the surface of these tiny cells, there are little markers. Think of them as name tags. And these name tags decide your blood type. Welcome to the world of a B, A, B, and O. Your blood type depends on specific proteins called antigens sitting on your red blood cells. If you have A antigens, you are type A. If you have B antigens, you are type B. If you have both, congratulations, you are AB. If you have none, you are O. Your blood is basically the minimalist of the group. But here is where it gets interesting. Your immune system is like a security guard with trust issues. If unfamiliar blood enters your body, it does not politely ask questions. It attacks immediately. So if you are type A and someone gives you type B blood, your body reacts like, "Who invited this stranger?" And chaos begins. That is why blood transfusions must match carefully. It is not about preference. It is about survival. Then there's the Rh factor, positive or negative. This is another tiny protein. If you have it, you are positive. If you do not, you are negative. Simple, but important. Because Rh negative blood cannot always accept Rh positive blood without reaction. Again, your immune system is dramatic. So why do we even have different blood types? Why not just one universal type and avoid all this confusion? Blame evolution. Thousands of years ago, humans were exposed to different diseases in different regions. Certain blood types offered slight advantages against specific infections. For example, some studies suggest type O may have had protection against severe malaria. Blood types may have provided resistance to different bacteria or viruses. In other words, blood types are like ancient survival badges. Your ancestors survived something, and your blood is carrying that history. There is also genetics. You inherit your blood type from your parents, one gene from your mother, one from your father. It is like a biological lottery, except the prize is, well, compatibility in hospitals. And here's a fun fact. Type O negative is called the universal donor because it lacks a B and Rh antigens. It is the humble hero, the quiet overachiever. It walks into emergencies and saves lives without asking for attention. Meanwhile, AB positive is the universal recipient. It can accept blood from almost anyone. It is basically the social butterfly of blood types. But do not let social media fool you. Blood type does not decide your personality. If someone says you are type B that explains your behavior, they are probably reading too many internet theories. Your blood type does not control your mood, it controls medical compatibility. That is it. Still, it is amazing. Inside your veins, there is a tiny biological ID card. Invisible, silent, powerful. You might not think about it daily. But if you ever need surgery or donate blood, that small detail becomes extremely important. Different blood types exist because humanity survived different threats. Because evolution experimented. Because nature loves diversity. So the next time someone asks, "What is your blood type?" remember, it is not just a letter. It is a story written in your cells. And yes, your red blood cells are still delivering oxygen like loyal workers who deserve a raise. If you drink some water for them, they are working hard.